In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and receive emails in ClickUp. If you're looking to streamline your project communication and keep everything in one place, you're in the right spot. Sending an email from a task within ClickUp can be a game changer. It centralizes all your communication into a single hub, eliminating the constant switching between your email client and ClickUp itself. By keeping every conversation linked to its relevant task, you not only create a single source of truth for your project, but also reduce the need for app switching. It makes it easy for anyone on the team to view the entire communication history at a glance, enhancing both collaboration and transparency. Let's get started. Before we dive into sending your first email, you'll need to ensure that you've integrated your email with ClickUp. If you haven't already done this, don't worry. Just head over to the settings, find the email integration option, and follow the prompts to integrate your email. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for seamless email communication right from your tasks. Once your email is all set up, we'll move on to the main task at hand. I've prepared a sample task for this tutorial. Imagine it as a typical task you might deal with on a regular basis. So, let's click on our sample task to open it up. Within the task window, you'll notice an activity section. This is where the magic happens. Now, below the activity section, there's a text bar. It may look familiar because it's where comments are typically entered. But if you look closely, there are two options, comment and email. For today, our focus is on the email option. So go ahead and click on email. This opens a window where you can compose your message. You'll be drafting your email just like you would in your regular email client. Enter the recipient's email address. In this demonstration, I'm going to send an email to myself as a test. Type out your subject and the body of your email. Keep it concise and clear to convey your message effectively. Once you're satisfied with your email, it's time to click send. You might feel a bit of anticipation as the email works its way through cyberspace. Now, to confirm that everything's working smoothly, let's check my Gmail account. And there you have it. The email has been successfully delivered. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've managed to send an email directly from a task in ClickUp. This efficient process not only saves time, but also ensures clarity and connection within your team's communications. Thanks for joining me today as we explored this powerful feature in ClickUp.